Oh, throughout our late Monday afternoon and into the evening hours, we were tracking a lot of heavy rain around the coastal Empire Low Country, and our Savannah camera captured this rainbow right over the river. Definitely a very nice sight. Late this afternoon and into the evening hours, we were still tracking some heavy rain across the area. Right now, we're starting to dry out. There's the view from our Savannah camera right now. It is dark out there clearly, but we can still see some of those wet surfaces out there illuminated by the street lights. As far as Viper radar, still scanning the skies, not finding too much in the way of development anymore, but further to the south into McIntosh County and Wayne County, we did have a little bit of heavy rain just about an hour ago, but now starting to rain itself out over Glenn County and further to the south into Camden County, and also pushing off of the coast. Now, as far as the rainfall for today, many of us that did get the rain had high rainfall rates, and 2 and 3 inches estimated by the radar, but down McIntosh County, coastal McIntosh County, we do have a bullseye of over 6 inches estimated by the radar. So definitely a nice soaking rainfall for us this afternoon and early evening. For tomorrow, we will start off with mainly dry conditions with temperatures in the 70s, and then for the afternoon, temperatures will warm into the middle and upper 90s. A few showers and storms are possible into the early evening hours, but overall it is going to be a very hot day. High humidity will lead to heat index values over 105 degrees, especially into the low country. That's where we do have the possibility of the highest heat index values, and already we do have a heat advisory in place for Beaufort County. That will go from the late morning hours and into the early evening, expiring at 8 o'clock tomorrow night. Now, as far as the actual air temperatures over the next few days, they will be getting hotter. 98 degrees for Thursday and for Friday, possibly getting close to our records, if not tying our records on Thursday. The record currently is 98 degrees. Last time we got to that hot of a temperature on Thursday was back in 2010. So definitely a hot stretch of weather on the way, and very humid weather setting up thanks to the Bermuda high staying in place well off of the coast, helping to bring in that lower level humidity, helping to fuel some showers and storms, and that'll be the case over the next few days. Now, as far as tomorrow morning, starting off with a mix of clouds and sunshine, temperatures will already warm into the middle and upper 90s for us at lunchtime, and then in the late afternoon, that's when we will begin to see a few showers and a few storms begin to develop. I think Vipercast is overdoing some of this activity a little bit, but either way, I think it has the right idea that we will start to see that thunderstorm activity really fire off in the late afternoon and continuing into the early evening. But once we lose that daytime heating, conditions will start to dry out for us once again. In the tropics, we want to mention that the Hurricane Center is watching 3 systems for potential development, one off of the East Coast. Minimal risk of that happening. Same thing with this one in the central Atlantic. But what we're more concentrated on is this tropical wave to the southwest of the Cape Verde Islands. It has a high chance of developing into the season's next tropical depression or tropical storm. At this point, nothing for us to worry about here in the U.S. For tonight, 77 degrees will be the low temperature, and then for tomorrow, we warm into the lower and middle 90s for those highs before some thunderstorms start to develop in the later part of the day. It will be some of a breezy day at times, and with the heat, we do have to watch out for a few of those storms that may become strong to severe, just like this evening. For the boaters, keep an eye to the sky. Southwest wind 5 to 10 knots, giving you seas around 2 feet. So as far as the 7-day forecast, at least a low-end chance for showers and storms each and every day, getting hotter as the week goes on and staying hot even with the storm chances increasing for Saturday and Sunday.
All right, and more rain, and the heat is coming back.
That's the fun part.
All right. I guess if you say so.
Thank you. Let's talk about sports.